Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make aloo gobi, or potato and cauliflower sabzi. This is not a curry with gravy. Sabzi is a dry vegetable dish, perfect to eat with any type of bread, and you'll find this dish at every Indian restaurant. It's tasty, it's filling, healthy, and inexpensive. That's probably why it's so popular. It's also one of those dishes you can make very quickly on a weeknight. The process is also very simple, made in one pot. The recipe link is right below this video in the description section. First, heat up a pot and add a few tablespoons of oil. When the oil gets hot, add cumin seeds. In a few seconds, they'll change color and you'll be able to smell them. Add finely chopped ginger. Give that a stir. Then add finely chopped garlic and sliced green chilies. Mix that up. Next is chopped red onion, a little salt. Sauté this until golden. The onions are done. Add ground turmeric, ground coriander, red chili powder, and garam masala. Give that a stir. And add chopped tomatoes. A little salt. Cover and cook until the tomatoes are soft. You can smash them a bit. It's ready when the oil separates. That looks good. Add peeled and cut up potatoes. Stir that up. Add water, salt, cover and cook for 5 minutes. We're giving the potatoes a head start since they take longer to cook. If we also add the cauliflower now, it'll turn to mush. After 5 minutes, add the cauliflower. Mix that up. Cover and cook until tender, less than 10 minutes. Don't forget to stir it once in a while. When the vegetables are almost cooked, add chopped cilantro. Taste and adjust the salt if you need to. Finish cooking and insert a knife into the potatoes to make sure they're tender. A little bit more cilantro. All the liquid has evaporated. The potatoes and cauliflower are cooked but not falling apart. Now, if you want to make this dish so the potatoes and cauliflower are a little crispy and have that golden brown color, first shallow fry the potatoes and cauliflower separately before adding them to the pot. It is an extra step, but worth it if you want a richer dish. You can also roast the cauliflower and potatoes in the oven instead of shallow frying them. The version I just showed you is healthier and still delicious. It is also the fastest way to make this dish. I hope you try it and like it. Click on that bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.